Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Blink Camera Sync and Login, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with your Blink camera, first, ensure that your camera is set up and powered on. Download the Blink app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Blink app on your mobile device. If you are a new user, select Create Account. Enter your email address and create a password. You will receive a verification email. Check your email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Blink app and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to add a new device. Select Add a camera and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, place your Blink camera within range of your sync module. Follow the app instructions to connect the sync module to Wi-Fi, if not done already. Make sure to plug in your sync module and confirm it is powered on with a solid green light. Tap Continue in the app after setting up the sync module. The app will search for your Blink camera. When it finds the camera, select it to continue. The app will then guide you through pairing the camera with the sync module. Once paired, you will see a confirmation on the screen. You can now customize your camera settings in the app. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. After completing these steps, your Blink camera will be fully authenticated and ready for use. Always ensure your camera firmware is up to date for optimal performance. That concludes the authentication process for your Blink camera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.